In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import Vcard files in Gmail. To begin, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Once you are signed in, make sure you are on your inbox screen. This is a helpful starting point because it confirms you are in the correct Google account before you import any contacts. Next, look toward the top right area of Gmail. Click the Google Apps Launcher, which is the grid of dots. This opens a panel of Google services connected to your account. From that panel, click Contacts. This will take you to Google Contacts in a new tab or the same tab depending on your browser settings. Once you are in Google Contacts, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account again. Importing a VCF file adds contacts to whichever Google account is currently active, so this quick check can prevent confusion later. Now find and click Import in the left side menu. Import is the tool Google provides for bringing in contacts from another service or from a file you already have, like a Vcard file. A small import window will appear with a prompt that says, "To get started, select a file." Click that area to continue. At this point, you need to choose your Vcard file. Vcard files usually end with the extension .vcf. If you have multiple contact files, make sure you pick the right one, because everything in that file will be added into your Google Contacts list. Also, if your file includes fields that were exported from another platform, it is a good idea to make sure the contact details are organized cleanly in the file. That helps Google Contacts interpret names, phone numbers, and email fields as expected during the import. Next, click Select File. This opens your computer's file browser. Navigate to where your .vcf file is saved, click the file to highlight it, and then confirm the selection to upload it. After you select the file, Google Contacts will begin importing the contacts. Depending on how many entries are in the Vcard, it may take a few seconds. When it finishes, you should see the imported contacts appear in your contact list, and you can use the search bar in Contacts to quickly confirm a few names imported correctly. And that is all there is to it.